Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some hair at home, bored while we're all quarantined here together. As you can see, my hair is like totally fading out. It's looking orange here in spots, blonde is coming out. It's no longer red. My roots here, they're not that bad, so I'm not going to bleach out my roots in this video, but next time this red fades out, I do want to go a totally different color, and by then I will have to bleach out my roots, so I'll show you guys how to do that in that video. But please leave me comments down below, what color do you want to see me go next once this red that I'm going to touch up today fades out. Alright, so for this you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a mixing bowl and a mixing brush. You're going to need your color that you're using. I'm just using this Ice Cream Crow mask. It's like a cherry red. I usually go in and use like a mixture of a different punky colors or Manic Panic or I don't know, things like that, and I'll mix a bunch of reds together to come up with my own, but I'm all out of all my reds. This is what I have. I'm gonna use it. It's basically the same thing. It's a conditioner with pigment in it. As you can see, it's very red. So that's what I'm gonna be using. But the first thing we're gonna wanna do is change your shirt because you don't want this stuff getting all over your clothes, so. Alright, I have my trusty color shirt on. I'm going to pump a bunch of this into my bowl here. About that much to start. I would definitely use gloves while doing this because this stuff will stain your skin. Gloves are on. Alright, so if your roots are worse than mine, let's zoom you in. I'll see if I can't show you. If you need to bleach out your roots, I will show you kind of the process here just with my red. What you're going to want to do is mix up your bleach mixture, and you're going to want to see where your regrowth is. You're going to want to see where your regrowth is, and you're going to want to simply apply the bleach just to your regrowth. You don't want to overlap anything because then you're just bleaching bleach and it's just not gonna work. So that's how you do that. I'm going to just quickly put this in throughout all my hair. So I'm just going to speed through this here. I'm going to swap out these glasses because these are new from Zlul and I really like them. I don't want to get color on them. So I'm going to wear these super old ones. Alright, now that it's all in your hair, you just want to go around with a wet cloth and clean up anywhere that you got around on your face. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for about 25 minutes to a half an hour, and I'm going to wash it out and probably dry it, and then I'll be back. If you are using bleach on your roots at this moment, bleach isn't a timed thing, so you just have to really watch it and wash it out once it gets to be the color that you want it. So, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I left this stuff on for about 30 minutes before I washed it out. I don't know if I showed you the bottle to what I used, but it's just this. It's a conditioner with pigment in it, and I absolutely love the red that I get from this. It's totally the Ariel red, and when I do clip in my extensions, I do feel like Ariel. I love it so much. But like I said, I've been red for a while, and red fades so quickly. So if you guys want to pick a color for me, please, again, leave me a comment down below. What color do you want to see me do? Any color, really. I've been every color under the rainbow already. So whatever you guys want to see, I don't know, let's do something fun. We're all bored in quarantine doing our own hair at home. I will be having another video coming up very soon on how to trim your own hair at home, because all of the salons and barbershops are closed right now. So I'm deciding if I want to give myself some bangs or just do an all over trim. I don't know. Let's hear your guys' thoughts on what you want to see, but know that a do-it-yourself haircut video is coming very, very soon. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, don't forget to hit that bell. And yeah, until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.